so today we are going to be mixing 14 of my slimes. I still have 7 slimes left because I really don't want to mix those ones, but this is the day most of you have been waiting for. So let's do the shout outs. So we're gonna do, let's see. Alright, so first one goes to Jibby, I'm sorry if I'm saying this wrong, Rose Santolaja? I'm very sorry if I got that wrong. And then the second one goes to Maya Tammy. Okay, I'm sorry, I cannot say the name right, but let's just move on. This is probably gonna be part 1, I'm not sure. But let's just move on. So let's start with the big ones first. So here we have Fluffy, the foam one. It's like, oh gosh, it looks sticky. Alright, so let's just add this sand on the bottom. Guys, this was a slime smoothie. So if you guys remember this slime, yeah. Oh, I took the tags off of the slime because I didn't feel like it anymore. Oh. Okay. Let's clean my top off. Alright, be back when I'm done with this. Okay, so I just finished cleaning the top. Pretty sure, so clean. Alright, let's save this one for later because we definitely need to use that. Okay, so let me see if I really want to put this in because this looks like a really good slime. I could put it in. I don't really like this slime. Okay, it's already halfway there. So that's the slime. Stretchy, foamy. Okay, let's put in this one. Oh gosh, wait, I feel like... Yeah, this one's going in. Okay, 3, 2, yikes. Okay, let me clean this up again. So, you know what? I'll just clean every single one at the end, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is the blue one. Whoa, I'm gonna get the piece off. Okay, so it's pretty sticky, but yeah. Alright, next up, let's do, how about my jiggly slime? Alright, so I just made this one this morning. It's a nice jiggly slime. You can't really tell that it's jiggly, but like, so I just gotta tap it. And in goes the jiggly slime. Woo! Blop. Next, let's do the... Oh, it's part of the slime smoothie. Okay, let's do this one. Yeah. Okay, so this one is the same thing as the first one, the biggest one. I just have to separate them, so in it goes. Woo! Okay, I think I'm gonna need 2 bowls for this, so let me get another one. Alright. Just in case. But I don't think we need another one. Alright, next, you guys wanna see it? Next we have this clay slime. It's blue and it's butter slime. This is kind of stretchy, but I mean like, it's not so stretchy. Oh my gosh, most of the slimes I've put in here are blue. Where is the top for this? It doesn't matter. Ooh, it's a mess here. Okay, let's do now the other slime smoothie one. This was the same one as the first one and just the one that we just did after it. Whoa! I don't even talk to you about that. I hope. Just did it. Alright, let's do this one. So you guys might remember Natalia. She made this slime at my house. It's actually like really good and stretchy, and it's iceberg slime. So if you leave it out, it's gonna become like a little bit hard on the top, but not super. So wow, up. Yeah. Okay, here's the slime so far. It's heavy. Let's do this nice. Oh, this really nice foam blue one. I'm gonna miss this slime. This was like super good slime. It's so stretchy, and it's like it feels so good because it's like foam. Alright. Next, let's do this blue one. Oh, this blue one's a fluffy slime. I'm not gonna really be that set for this slime to go away because it's hard. So, oh my gosh, I have so many blue slimes. Okay. Over there. Right, let's do this yellow one. This one's kind of stretchy, but it's easy to break. It's a yellow one. I think I made this. One of the slimes I made this in my blend. Okay, I don't think I made this one. So let's show you. It's stretchy, it's yellow, and it's just boring. Alright. Almost done already. Oh, this is a hard slime. I'm gonna stuff this all the way in the bottom. So it's not stretchy at all. I'm just gonna hide it in there. So this big smoothie still covering everything. Right, I think this is gonna turn out blue or a really dark blue. Okay, so here we have a foam one again, but this was not part of the slime smoothie. Don't worry, it's a different color. Here we go. I'll show you. I'll get some of the slime smoothie. See, different color. And this one's stretchy and it's nice, but it's also breakable. And in it goes. Oh my gosh, there is so many blue. Blue's been taken over. Blue's taking over. Last one, it's super. It's like my soap. My soap slime. I put hand soap in this. So, okay, here is the final look looks like. Hallelujah. Ha! Alright, I'm just gonna dig under and see. Oh, the slime smooth. Okay, it's taken over already. This slime smooth. Oh, look, there's that hard piece. Yeah. Slime smoothie one already. So it's looking like there is some blue, but it looks like that this is gonna become a giant gray slime. So let me just try to open up and find. Oh, yep, I was right. This is probably turning into a dark blue. Yeah. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so heavy, heavy, heavy. Oh gosh. So heavy. Yeah, this is definitely a dark blue sort of color. I think I can put this on the table. Okay. It's so big. This looks really small on camera, but it's like, oh, actually it looks really big. This is gigantic. I'll prove that to you that it's really big. It's actually a really nice color. I kind of like it. Dang, this actually turned out a really good color. Ooh. Nice, nice color. Color, color, color. It turned out blue, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Da, da, da. Alright, I'm gonna look, see. Oh my gosh. It's bigger than my face. Do you guys need more proof to show you that it's actually a big slime? I'm gonna drop it on the table I bet the food coloring is gonna fall, or most of the things are gonna fall. I feel like a chunk of the hard slime. The blue hard slime. I actually really like the color, guys. So happy. Alright, let's put the food coloring right here where you guys can see it. Alrighty, 3, 2, oh my gosh, 1, go. Oh, dang it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, come on. It fell! Oh my gosh. I was not surprised at all. Guys, but this thing is actually big, so if you don't believe me, I'm tired. This thing is too big. Maybe if I just slice it in half. Yeah. 1, 2. Oh no, it's still too big. Here, how about I use these containers? I haven't used these containers, guys. But this is so small, but let's just keep going with it. And keep on going till it works. And also until it fits. We can't have it overload, so we have to put some in a different container. Okay, a little bit more. All my slime smoothies at least have foam in them. Okay, that looks good. This thing needs a little bit more outy. Alright, that's good. If it's 4 containers needed, there's proof. And oh, see, everything's falling now. Okay, so yeah, container 1. Yeah. Oh, I need more. I don't know. Alright, let's take some of this out. Fits. See. Oh, no, that's too much. That fits. And last one. 4 giant containers and 2 extra ones. You got proof now. Okay. That was the end of the video. Slime smoothie. And containers are everywhere. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's slime out in the table. I'll just throw it away because it doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm just going to show you the mess I made. So, yeah. Woo! That was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Comment down below if you want to be shouted out.